Hi. This morning I'm working on creating a program for a groin strain. My first series I'm going to work on is just for gently warming up the hip, gently starting to lengthen the groin muscles or the adductor muscles, the muscles here where the strain was. We're going to do 5 movements in a row. I'm going to set my timer so that I get my 30-second and 1-minute beeps to keep me on time and make it a short video. But I'm going to do 5 minutes or 5 movements, and the purpose of it is to gently start to help those muscles, the groin muscles, start to heal. I'm going to be explaining as I go along. I'm going to go ahead and start my timer. All these movements are going to be done in the 4-point position. So I'm just in this position. I have a flat back. First one, I'm just rocking. So this is just hip range of motion. I like my feet together on this one because when I then rock back, it helps keep the hip in a less chance of impinging in the front or pinching structures in the front of the hip. So I'm just gently rocking back and forth. Butt is aimed back, so the back stays straight and the motion comes from the hip. I'm going to switch my feet a little bit. Now I'm rocking side to side. So now again, I'm trying to just make the pelvis do the motion and the back stays stable. So I'm rocking side to side. This directly is lengthening the adductors and the short groin muscles, or the short adductors. Okay, next one, I'm gonna square up my feet or my knees. I'm calling it a push back, slide around. So I'm gonna push back, slide around, come back in. Push back, slide around, come back in. So I'm actively lengthening my longer adductors a little bit while using my butt muscles to do it. So just a gentle way to start to lengthen those muscles a little bit more.
Halfway there.
Push back, slide around, other side. Now I want my pelvis to stay stable so I get the motion where I want it from. So my sit bone and my pubic bone stays stable, the origin of the muscles I'm trying to lengthen gently.
10 seconds.
So that I don't get any of this stuff when I'm trying to move. Next one is going to be my knee bent hip circle. So this time I'm activating the glutes in order to lengthen the short adductors, the short groin muscles, and I'm trying to keep my back stable. So I don't want to, this is not what we're doing. We're doing this, like that, switching, gently, becomes a little bit of a work on your arms too. Back staying flat. Next one, I'm going to do a straight kneed hip circle. So I'm going to come out here. I'm going to do this in the air. Straighten it out, lengthen, straighten it out, lengthen, strengthen it out, lengthen. So activating glutes and lengthening adductors. Trying to keep the pelvis stable the whole time. So that was 5 in a row for gently starting to lengthen the adductor groin muscles for healing and for warming up.